Hi, are you looking for a property in the west of Pune? Well, you have reached the right destination. This is Property Cloud, India's only prop tech online portal. Well, what exactly is a prop tech online portal? Simple. यहाँ पर आप कर सकते हैं virtual tours of the properties that you want to see. Along with that, you can also do physical site visits, and for that we also provide you free pickup and drop service. And we not only do that, we also connect you directly to the developers and to the leading developers in town, and we do all of this absolutely brokerage free. Now, what are the other advantages? It's very simple. You will get many offers and discounts, and I'll be talking to you about that in just some time. But before that, let me tell you where are we today and what exactly are we gonna do for you today. Today, I am Ekta Kapoor and I am here at Kohinoor's West View Reserve. I'm going to show you their beautiful sample flat. All you need to do is stay tuned with me. Let's go and check out the rest of the details at this project. Now let's take a look at the 3D model. Now this is a forest themed project. What do I mean when I say a forest themed project? 10 acres of green lushes जिसके अंदर बनने वाले हैं 7 towers which will be of cement. Now let's take a closer look at the forest amenities right over here. Now the amenities that would be there inside the forest would be walking track, amphitheater, sunken adventure park, boardwalk, hammock garden, butterfly garden, meditation garden, and a lot more. EPs, that is the multi-level parkings, and uske upar on the roof would be the amenities like the badminton court and also the net cricket and the tennis garden. Now let's take a look at the other MLCP, which will have again some more rooftop amenities, which would be the infinity pool and the deck area and a lot more. And here we are going to check out the 883 square feet 2 BHK apartment. Let's take a look at this model over here. This is your entrance lobby. And from here, we enter into the living and the dining area. The dining area is of approximately 5.2 by 7 by 10. And the living area is of 11 by 17.3. It also comes with a sit out which is of 11 by 5.3 square feet. Let's get back into the living and the dining, and this is your kitchen area. Now the kitchen is of approximately 8 by 9.6 and it comes with a straight fitted granite slab and also a dry balcony which is of 6 by 9.6 square feet. Let's get back into the living area and it's time to take a look at the bedrooms. So this is your first bedroom and this is of approximately 10 by 12 square feet. It also comes with an additional space right over here which can be utilized for your wardrobes as well. Coming out of the master bedroom, diagonally opposite it is the common toilet, which is of approximately 8 by 4.6 square feet. And once we come out from this foyer area, we will walk right into the master bedroom, which is of 11 by 14 square feet. This also comes with an attached toilet, which is of approximately 8 by 4.6 square feet. And this leads us to the sit out in the master bedroom, which is of 11 by 3.6 square feet. Now that you've seen the beautiful 2 BHK, it's time to dive into luxury with the 3 BHK, which is of approximately 1244 square feet. Ab itne area mein kya kya banaya hai you want to see? Let's take a look over here. This is your entrance lobby, which is of approximately 4.1 by 5.11 square feet. This is your living and dining, but before we take a look at that, let me tell you that this is a butterfly concept home with one room on one side of the house and 2 rooms on the other side, with making it a butterfly concept home. Let's dive back into the house and take a look at the first bedroom, which is right at the entrance of the house, and it is of approximately 11 by 14 square feet. Now it also comes with a balcony which is of the same width like your master bedroom, which is 11 by 3.6 square feet. And here is your attached toilet and bath to it, which is of approximately 7.7 by 4.6 square feet. Let's get back into the living and the dining area. This is your living and dining. The living room is of 12 by 20.3 square feet and the dining area is of 5.2 by 7.10 square feet. Let's take a look at the beautiful and huge balcony. When I say huge, I mean the width of it is just like your living room, that is 12, and the depth is 6.7 square feet. Now this is as big as a usual living room in normal homes. That's the reason I told you this is a real luxurious apartment. Now let's come back into the kitchen from your living and your dining, and here is the kitchen, which is of approximately 9 by 8 square feet. That also comes with a dry balcony, which is of 3.6 by 8 square feet. Walking back through the dining area, we will now take a look at the common areas. That is the common bedroom first of all. This is your common bedroom, which is of approximately 10 by 12 square feet, and it also comes with a separate place for your shoe racks and for your racks and your wardrobes. Now let's take a look at the common toilet. The common toilet is of approximately 7.10 by 4.6 square feet, and now let's get back into the master bedroom. Through this foyer area, we walk into the master bedroom, and this is of approximately 11.3 by 15.4. Of course, it comes with an attached toilet and bath, which is of approximately 8.6 by 4.6 square feet. And now is the time to look at the special thing about the master bedroom, and that is this private balcony. 11.3 by 4 square feet. This master balcony is indeed something that you should watch out for. Now that you've seen the 3 BHK and the 2 BHK and you want to know how can you go ahead with the booking process, well, it's very simple. In the caption, we have mentioned a link on which you can click and get in touch with us. Once you have done that, our relationship manager will help you take a look at all the properties that you have shortlisted, and the pickup and drop facility is absolutely free. And now you want to know what is the special thing, what is it that you will get if you book your property through Property Cloud? I told you already, it's absolutely zero brokerage. We will connect you directly with the premium developers in town, and also you will get special schemes and offers once you have registered with us. So it's very simple. Quickly go and do that, and also do not forget to mention in the comments what is the best part that you liked about this project. Honestly, I love the forest reserve the most, but then did you like the rooftop amenities more? Did you like the 2 BHK more, or did you like the 3 BHK more? Do let us know in the comment section. Let's have a conversation on this, and stay tuned with us at Property Cloud with me, Ekta Kapoor. Thank you.